Welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, we'll write a Python program to find the square root of a number. As you can see, I am already in my PyCharm IDE, where in this Python script, I'll write the program. You will learn how to find the square root of a number in 3 ways in this program. So watch this video till the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because that way you won't miss out on any of the Python coding interview question videos I make. First, we'll write the main function and then we'll write the code to take the number from the console. So I'll type main and PyCharm is going to create the main function for me. Now we'll make use of the input function to take the input from the user. Also, we'll typecast it to int because the input function returns a string. So let me declare a variable. It will be v_num equals to sign input, within which we are going to enter the message, enter the number, and we are going to typecast it to int. Okay. The first method to calculate the square root of value stored in this variable v_num is using exponent. So we'll write v_num double multiplication sign 0.5. This 0.5 over here is indeed responsible for finding the square root, because this expression basically means v_num raised to the power of 0.5. Okay. Now we store the result in a variable v_exp. We then print it using the print function. So within print, the message is going to be square root within brackets exponent curly brackets, and within format we will pass v_exp. Let's run the program and check the output. Alright, you can see that it is asking me to enter the number. Let me enter 9. Hit enter. You can see 3 gets printed over here as the square root of 9. So the program is working fine. In the second method, we'll use the sqrt method from the math module of Python. So first, we'll import the math module, for which I'll write import math. Okay. Now we'll call the sqrt method from the math module and pass v_num as its parameter. The result will be stored in a variable v_sqrt. So let's write the code for it. v_sqrt equals to math.sqrt. Within its brackets, we pass v_num. And now we print the value of the variable v_sqrt. So let's copy paste this line of code over here and let's make a small change. Instead of exponent, let's type sqrt method, and within format this time we are going to pass v_sqrt. Okay, let's run the program and check. Alright, so I'll pass 25 this time. There you go. 5, which happens to be the square root of 25, gets printed using both the methods we have used in the program. The next method we are going to use is the paw method, which is quite simple. We'll declare a variable v_paw. We'll write paw, and within its brackets, as the first parameter, we'll pass v_num and the second parameter will be 0.5. So let's write the code for that. It will be v_paw, which is our variable that is going to store the square root. After the equals to sign, we'll write the paw method, and as its first parameter, we'll write v_num, comma 0.5. Something similar we did over here, except there was no function involved over here in this method. Let's print the value of v_paw and check the output. So I'm going to copy and paste this line of code over here again. I'm going to change the method this time to paw, and the variable that I'm going to pass within the brackets of format will be v_paw. Let's quickly run the program and check the output. Alright, it is asking me to enter a number. Let's try a different number this time. So I'll type 49. You can see that the square root using all three methods is calculated as 7, which is the right answer, which happens to be the right square root of 49. This concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and colleagues. I look forward to helping you with Python programming, and only for this video. Goodbye.